Guys, also welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video I want to show you this platform where you can sell your digital products, either downloadable products or any form of digital products you have, video, ebooks, any type, using this platform called Payhip. Now, one thing I love about this platform is they will send out payment to you automatically. They don't hold payments, trying to like hold it, in order for them to process it and send it out to you. No, once somebody purchases the product, you get your payment immediately, and they send payment through using PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, it's simple. If you don't have a PayPal account, just get a PayPal account anyhow. I've showed you exactly how to create that on my channel. So once you have that, immediately somebody purchases the product, they send you out the payment immediately, no processing fee or anything. So one thing I like about this platform is you can actually use their free plan. As you can see here, you have access to all features, unlimited products, unlimited revenue, like everything. They don't limit you, okay, but you're going to be paying 5% transaction fees, that's all. But in this pro plan, you pay $29 per month and 2% transaction fees. Now, one thing I want to tell you is, if you want to pay for all this plan, that means you need to be making a lot of sales, okay, for you to be paying all this other money. But once you're getting started, this one is good enough for you, $0, and you have access to all the features. Now, I want to show you the dashboard, how the dashboard actually looks like. Now, before I do that, look at the features. You can sell digital products, online courses, coaching, membership. You can even sell physical products. Fantastic. You have access to storefront, you have access to payments, VAT, taxes, marketing tools, email marketing. You have access to all of these tools for free. You don't need to stress, you don't need to pay any other additional fee for it. Let me go to payments. Let's see exactly what the payments have for us. Okay, as you can see here, it says they get paid instantly. Like I told you in the beginning of this video, you're going to get paid instantly. Payhip integrates with PayPal and Stripe. They also integrate with Stripe. Sorry, I forgot to mention Stripe. Okay, actually integrate with PayPal and Stripe, so you can get your money fast and seamlessly without waiting. As you can see here, once you get paid immediately, you get paid immediately to your bank account. You get paid immediately into your PayPal account or your Stripe account. As you can see, it takes seconds for you to connect your Payhip or your PayPal or Stripe to start accepting payments. Okay, connecting your payment account is both easy and secure. All transaction information will be available to your Payhip account as well as your PayPal and Stripe account. So no technical headache when setting up your payments. As you can see here, you can actually integrate PayPal or Stripe. Now, lucky enough for me, I have both of them, PayPal and Stripe. Now, if you don't know exactly how to create a Stripe account, I've showed you exactly how to create a Stripe account in one of my videos showing on the screen right now, or if it's not on the screen, just check in the description box below. You're going to find the video or how to create a Stripe account or how to also create a PayPal account. I have all of these videos on my channel. So once you have this account, then you can go ahead to start using this Payhip account, Payhip easily for free. You have access to all the features, sell digital or physical products. There are so many themes that you can select from, so many free themes. As you can see, it actually give you access to a complete website, if I may say, for free. You don't need to pay anything. You have access to all of these things for free. Now let me go ahead to show you what the dashboard looks like. So once you create your account, you have to verify, I've done everything. This is exactly how your dashboard is going to look like, and from here you can manage a whole lot of things. So as you can see here, you have your store link. This is my store link. You can also embed this Payhip account to your existing website or blog. Now I'm going to show you how to embed this Payhip account to Google Sites in my subsequent videos. Why don't you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and stay tuned while I make that video or when I upload that video for you. You have access to mailing list. You have a mailing list. Send an email to notify subscribers. You can also share this in your social media. So if I go to products, you're going to find all the products I have on this website. As you can see here, I've just created 2 dummy products just to test this thing out, and as you can see, it works. Okay, it works so far so good. And we have access to store. If you go to store, you're going to find your store, so you can actually add a custom domain to your store. Now for you to do that, you need to purchase the domain and have access to the domain. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in another video. Make sure you're watching. So as you can see here, now once you keep setting up your account, you're going to see how far you have set it up. So for me, so far I've done 75%. Just remain 25%. I think a little thing, but I said let me show you guys this amazing platform before I go ahead to do that. Now let's go to marketing. I think this is where we have the email marketing and stuff. So you can actually create a coupon for people to use. Now if I go to mailing list, I think this is where we have the mailing list, and I can go ahead to set up a mailing list as you can see here. So active campaign, I can select that, either webinar, ConvertKit. There's so many email marketing tool here. SendFox. You can integrate your API key and then your API URL. All these things you don't really need it for now, but you may need it later on. But I'm going to show you exactly how to do it later on. If you actually are interested, tell me in the comment section. So this is exactly what you get. You can also upgrade your plan or upgrade this stuff if you want to, and the like. So this is what you get in the marketing. Now if you go to customers, you're going to find all the customers you have. So far so good. I don't have any customer here, but if you start having customers, you're going to find all of them here. You can email them for updates. You can see your subscribers, you can see your sales reports, and you can see your followers. Okay, you can see your followers. Okay, for now I don't have any of these things. Okay, now at this settings account you can do a lot of collaborators, store builder, explore marketplace. I think they now have a marketplace as well where people now showcases what they sell. So this is exactly what I'm saying, that this should be a nice way to market your stuff. Okay, so this is their marketplace. So one thing I love about this platform is actually very, very fantastic. Okay, you can't go wrong having this Payhip with you. So that's one thing I want to show you guys. So I want you to go ahead, sign up for this platform and start using this tool. This is actually a very fantastic tool to use to sell your digital or physical product. Now if you want to go ahead to create a physical or digital product, or you want to create a product, you just need to click on this product section and click on add a new product. Now it's going to ask you what kind of product do you want to upload. Is it a digital product or a course or a physical product or membership type of product? So you have varieties to choose from. Okay, depending on whatever thing you're trying to do. So either physical or digital products, no problem. You can sell using Payhip either physical or digital products. That what I love about this platform. You can use Payhip to do a lot of things, and it integrates with PayPal and Stripe. Okay, and you can easily get these two accounts for you to use, and you have access to all the features for free. So you can have access to coaching services or bundle. You can integrate so many of these things. So let me just say, let's say this is a physical product. You can see, you just need to enter all of the information right here and click on add the products, and that's it. Okay, now if I go ahead to, let me come ahead to this account and come to settings. This is where we can add our payment details. Okay, so we can either connect PayPal. As you can see, I already connected my PayPal account to this one, or you connect your Stripe. Now default currency, you can change it to whichever currency they have available here. I think they have available, these are the currencies they have available here. So either USD, pounds, euros, whichever one that is okay for you. And yes, this is how you do it. Now you can also check out shipping. If you have any shipping stuff, shipping locations or something like that, you can add all of those information right here. Now this is exactly how you do all of these things. So it's very, very simple and easy to set up. Now if you have any question or anything is confusing you at all, why don't you just tell us in the comment section, and then I'll be there to answer all of these questions and render you my support or my help as you may need. So Payhip is actually a fantastic platform you can use to sell both physical and digital products using any of their storefront information they have, or you can easily just go ahead to embed this Payhip thing onto your already existing website. So that's one thing I love about this platform. Now if you go ahead to check out this platform and sign up and do everything, and you still have issues trying to set it up, then that's where I come in. So just tell me in the comment section, and I'll try my possible best to answer any form of question that you might be having setting this thing up or having it to work the way you want it to work. So guys, this is okay. As you can see here, we have a new notification. It say here we now introduce 7 new themes that you can choose between to help your brand front and center. Your store is now a lot more customizable with several new sections types such as embed code, etc, and the like. So this is actually a fantastic way to sell a lot of things, and I think it will be beneficial to a lot of people. So in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this thing up to Google site, how you can embed it to Google site, and a whole lot of other stuff. So if you're interested, keep watching the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I believe it has been helpful. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you very much.